Hi everyone, my name is Josh Hong, and I'm going to be teaching a different skill today. So the skill I'm going to be teaching, is called striking. You can call it hitting also, but striking is the more correct term.
Striking what?
We're going to be striking a ball.
A ball?
Yeah, so this is
Not a person?
No.
You can't do that.
Oh.
You have to be a good student,
So
Johnny.
yeah, these are our students I'm going to be working with. And it's just a wiffle ball, yellow, with holes in it. It's pretty light. And the paddle we're going to be using today is a pickleball.
Pickleball.
Oh, so
Pickleball paddle.
it looks like a ping pong paddle almost.
Yeah, bigger.
Bigger?
It doesn't have strings like a racket.
No.
Ah.
Why do they call it pickleball?
Because
Because it's so easy, even a pickle can hit it?
it's very funny.
Johnny.
Yeah. So the reason why they call it that is because it's kind of similar colors to a pickle.
Okay.
So yeah,
Okay.
and it makes kind of
Pickle noise?
yeah. That's,
Like a crunchy pickle, like when you eat it?
sure. Yeah. And so how you would hold this is you grip it like you're shaking a person's hand.
Oh.
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Do I hold it like this?
Oh.
Oh, okay. Like this.
Uh-huh.
Okay, got it.
Now what?
And then I'll let you start.
Oh, okay. Oh. Just
Yeah.
like
Like that.
like this? No.
Like
Like this.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then, so, in order to strike the ball,
You don't use two hands?
not normally, no.
Oh, okay.
To strike it, you just want to let the ball fall. Let
Okay.
the gravity do the work. But when it falls, you need to hit it back up.
So some hand-eye coordination
Yeah,
is
some
required.
hand-eye
Can
coordination.
you develop hand-eye coordination?
Yeah.
With
Just
practice? Okay.
So just do this.
If I practice doing this, I'm going to get hand-eye coordination.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, develop hand-eye coordination.
Yeah.
Develop hand-eye.
Develop.
Yeah.
Okay. So
John.
I'm just going to let the ball drop, and I'm going to hit it back up.
Ooh,
Oh,
nice. That
And that's how you do it.
that does sound like a pickle.
So I'm going to have one of the students
Let's let Johnny do it. Yeah. I'll watch him do it.
All right.
Release your ball.
Okay.
Remember what I said.
So you want me to practice just bouncing the ball
Yeah.
on a paddle?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
How high?
About head height.
Head height. Okay. I have skills. Watch.
Oh my. Good job.
How's that, teacher?
That's good.
That pretty good?
Yeah.
Pretty soon you'll be able to jump. Wow.
Wow. That's great. Okay. Can we let the other student have a turn?
No.
Okay, so you have a turn?
Consider.
All right.
Okay.
I'll
All
share.
right, so just to hold it like this.
Okay.
Okay, and then,
The ball.
then,
Just remember what I said. Just like you're gripping it correctly. Just
okay,
let it
Oh.
fall
let it fall.
and hit it back up.
Oh,
Hold on.
this guy. Catching skills.
Okay, what am I doing wrong?
Just you missed the ball.
Just
Johnny.
be nice. You gotta keep it in your box.
In your box.
Oh, got it.
Shoulder, front area. A little better.
Okay. This is going to develop hand-eye coordination.
Yeah. Ah! Here, give it back.
Okay, so how can we, what kind of game or
What other skills? Yeah.
So for a game, can I see a racket, please?
No.
Please.
Okay.
Thank you. There's a game. It's just called hit the ball against the wall.
Okay. Put the ball against the wall.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what you want to do is also grip it correctly, and you want to hit it like it's tennis, but it's not tennis. So you just want to smooth hit.
Smooth hit.
So am I following through?
Smooth hit.
Okay.
From that to your front.
Back to front.
What kind of a pivoting?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's right.
All right.
Like that.
Oh, I see. Okay. I think I got it now.
You got it?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Kind of like when you were a kid and I was giving you pow pow.
Shh, Johnny. You're interrupting the class.
Okay, so hit that ball. So one example was how to do it, and this example is how not to do it.
Okay, here we
let's
go.
Be nice. That's better. You want to keep it a little bit up.
Higher?
Yeah.
Am I too low?
You can just drop it.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Whoa!
That was better.
Okay.
One more try.
Whoa!
Oh, hold on.
Good thing we don't have any expensive crystal out
What
here.
am I doing wrong? Okay.
Last time, right here.
Okay,
Nice.
that was much better.
Okay.
But that's something she can practice, right?
Yeah, this practice will help make it perfect.
Oh, good. All right.
So
Well,
that
thank
is-
you for that lesson.
Thank you.
That is the striking lesson
See
for
you later.
today. Thank you, everyone.